Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at Gold Multiply Funds EA, an expert advisor available for MT5. Right away on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that this EA was developed by Shivam Gupta and is currently listed with a 1-month rental option priced at $50. The version shown here is 2.8, updated on May 22nd, 2023. Looking through the product description, the developer presents Gold Multiply Funds EA as a trading system designed specifically for XAUUSD or gold. According to the information provided, the EA uses AI and machine learning for pattern recognition and market analysis. The description also highlights a compounding-based approach where position sizing can increase as account balance grows. As I continue down the marketplace page, we can see some of the recommended trading conditions. The EA is designed to work on any XAUUSD symbol and uses the 30-minute time frame. The developer recommends a minimum deposit of $200 and notes that leverage of 1 to 500 is preferred, although lower leverage can also be used. Moving into the settings section, one of the key components is the risk configuration. There is a low risk option that can be enabled along with controls for maximum order count and trade direction restrictions. The developer explains that these settings can be used to limit the number and type of positions that the EA is allowed to open. The compounding feature is another major focus here. Based on the settings provided, the EA can increase lot size as account balance grows. The example shown on the page explains how lot size is scaled progressively as the balance increases, which is where the multiply funds concept comes from. Now, risk control is also emphasized through the use of predefined take profit and stop loss levels. The settings shown include fixed values for both profit targets and stop losses, as well as a maximum spread filter that can prevent new trades from opening when spreads exceed a specified level. The page also includes trading session controls, allowing users to define start and end trading hours according to their broker's server time. In addition, there is a configurable magic number which can be used when managing trades from multiple expert advisors on the same account. Now, let us move into the historical testing and analysis section. The developer mentions using gold historical data dated back to 2012 as more recent XAUUSD data maintained during the EA's development process. While reviewing the backtest information provided by the developer, we can see here initial deposit $200. Gross profit is about $3.6 million. Okay, this is not 3.6. This is 353,957,000. Sorry, $353,957. Okay, yeah. And then we can also see that the largest profit trade was 26,436. Lost trade 15,971. Then the average profit trade 3,889, while the average loss was 3,467. All right. Now let's just also check. Okay, this was results from 3rd January 2012 to 28th December 2012. Okay, let's see. 2nd January 2013, 30th December 2013. Okay, this seems to be yearly results. Okay, so this was results for 2013 So this shows total net profit of $772,984. Okay, this was 2014. This gave us about $112,117. Initial deposits are all $200. All right. Total net profit, this is for 2015, $49,294. This is for 2016, $156,111. 2017, 340. Okay, this is $34,040. All right. 2018, 111,878, and so on and so forth. All right. Now let's just also head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the EA performed in 2026 over the past about 5 months plus, about 5 months and a week. All right. 2026 from 1st January till date. So I'm testing the gold multiply funds on XAUUSD on the M30 time frame as recommended. We are using every tick modeling, and for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server. So we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, okay, there seems to be no trade executed. Let me just check the journal real quick. I can't really find the specific reason why the EA did not record any trade. I can't really find an error message, so I don't know exactly why the expert advisor did not, you know, give me any backtest results. But let's just briefly look at the EA in action just for a moment. So as we look at the historical chart activity and also make reference to the information provided on the marketplace page, it suggests that the EA focuses on XAUUSD and incorporates position sizing adjustments through its compounding model. Now, the fixed stop loss and take profit structure can also be observed as part of the overall trade management approach described by the developer. When reviewing any historical testing performance, it is important to remember that historical results are not guarantees of future outcomes. All right. Actual performance can vary based on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and user optimization choices. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself and experimenting with different settings so you can develop a more complete understanding of how the EA behaves under various market conditions. All right. So overall, the Gold Multiply Funds EA for MT5 is positioned as a gold-focused automated trading system that combines AI-based pattern recognition with a compounding methodology and predefined risk controls. As with any expert advisor, thorough testing and evaluation should always come before considering live deployment. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.